Information about Andromeda polifolia. Andromeda polifolia, also known as bog rosemary, is a small evergreen shrub that belongs to the heath family, Ericaceae. It is native to the northern hemisphere, and it can be found in wetlands, bogs, and peatlands in North America, Europe, and Asia. The plant typically grows up to 20 to 50 centimeters in height and spreads outwards to form a dense mat. It has narrow, needle-like leaves that are green in color and have a glossy texture. The flowers of the plant are pink or white in color and bloom in early summer. Andromeda polifolia is an important species in its native range, providing habitat and food for a variety of wildlife, including birds, insects, and mammals. It has also been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including respiratory infections and digestive disorders. However, it is important to note that the plant is toxic to humans and livestock if ingested in large quantities. The toxic compounds in the plant can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and convulsions. As such, it is important to handle the plant with care and avoid ingestion.